up to you to follow what kind of dance you want later. Magalingan ko mamaya, okay? And nagsasabi yung mga idols during special occasions like weddings, parties, special gatherings. Kaya lang po, madalas na lang yan dito ngayon. Alright, thank you so much para sa mga groups with our cultural dance. Thank you so much po. Sino gusto niyo unahin natin? Ayun na po si Ate Alex. Come on! Ayan! Parang nag-volunteer. Ang sa akin actually. Go Alex, you'll never know. You're gonna win the first prize. Under dance. Alright. That's the harvest dance ni Kuya. Kayo mag-vote mamaya kung sino mananalo. Kung sino pinakamaraming vote, definitely siya mananalo. Once again, pagkakas si Alex! Contestant number 2, Miss Glazer, in the middle. And finally, the last but not the least, the only guy that we have here, Mr. RJ over there. Alright, before I ask you to dance again, the reason why we're doing this, kaya kami nagpapa-audition na sa Mr. or Miss Aita ng Paradise. Because you know why? It's simply because we're running out of Aita dancers. Ayan. So meaning kung sino man yung mananalo sa tatlo, maiwan siya dito, mag-work siya dito. Kaya namin sa Mr. Aita. So, let's vote again, okay? Once again, who is in favor with Miss Alex? What about Miss Glazer in the middle? And finally, RG over there. I guess we have a winner. Gathering an average score of 99.9%. And the winner for the search for the Mr. or Miss Aita is none other than, sino sa tingin nyo? And this is gonna be RJ! Para ba si RJ? Alright, si RJ na lang ng Mr. Aita. We're gonna receive hat, and the rest will receive plus for you. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for being support. RJ, you stand up here, come on. And so, congratulations, palapakan natin si RJ, Mr. Aita Boy. Ayan, Mr. Aita Boy today. You wanna thank your classmate?
Thank you to all my classmates and schoolmates.
Alright, thank you daw. Again, so, just like what we agreed kanina, nanalo ka ng Mr. Aita, so you're gonna stay here, you're gonna work here. So say goodbye to your classmates now. Okay mo na yung swimming mo. Bye. You wanna stay here?
No.
Do you wanna stay here, yes or no?
No.
No, ayaw mo. But you are in the land of the Aitas, meaning kami yung nasusunod dito, hindi ka nasusunod dito, okay? I can release you to your classmates in one condition. And the condition is, may Aita Boy, come here. Ayan.